Hello and welcome to From Our Garden. This we got in pound stretchers, didn't we? For £1. How cute is that? We'll be using this to actually grow herbs inside the house. Now, I'm not going to use any old compost. Put your feet down, get off. Get down, get down, get down. Get off the table. Sit down. So this is what I got to use indoors. I think it's coconut peat.
Yeah, look.
Coconut fibre, and apparently, so this is what I got it from Amazon. Coconut fibre. It's in a different language. I can't even read it, so I've just googled how to do it. I think it absorbs a lot of water and expands quite big.
Good job.
That's what I got.
Put it in there.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in there. But I don't know if I need a whole brick. Is it gonna fit in there? It does. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Good.
It's dry, isn't it?
So nice.
Feels nice.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I think all we're supposed to do is pour some water.
Compost.
It is compost. That's what we're gonna use it for.
And here.
That's water.
Me?
Ready? Should we
Yeah.
pour it in?
Yeah.
I don't know how much to put.
Wow.
I think, should we leave it at that?
Wow.
Should I put more? I don't know.
Yeah.
Put more?
Yeah.
Maybe that's too much.
Make it dry.
Okay, enough. Alright, let's put some more. Wait. Get your hand out.
More.
Oh, it's coming apart.
More.
Do you think I should put some more?
Yeah.
What if it gets too soggy?
Again.
No.
Again, Mama. Again. Again, Mama. Again. Oh no, the water.
Oh no, look.
The water. Oh, the water.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just put it on. That's enough. Ah.
Do again.
Look, that's compost. That's meant to, we can grow stuff in this. How does it feel?
Gonna pot.
Huh?
Gonna pot.
It's gonna go in a pot, yeah. We're gonna put it in this one. Did we just break it apart like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah.
So nice.
So what? We got this. This on got this on Amazon for about £12, I think it was. Where's all the water gone, baby? Where's it gone? Do you think we need some more water?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Look at that.
Oh, see?
No, the water's finished. I need to go get some more. 1 second. Alright, let's put some more in.
Again?
No, let's let it absorb all this.
Again?
Not now.
Oh,
Oh, it's gone bobbing quick, isn't it? Look, all that water.
again. Again.
gone soggy now. Maybe it was too much water. Hey, look at this.
Yeah. Oh, with trouble, ew.
How much water do we need for this? Quite a bit of water, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, a ball. A ball of my. I like a cake.
It looks like cake.
Yeah.
Looks like chocolate cake, doesn't it?
There's chocolate cake. Wow. That's so nice. Chocolate cake.
Hey, you put it all over my arm.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Where's all the water go?
It's actually quite nice
Where
to
the
play
pigeon
with.
go?
The pigeon?
Yeah.
It flew away, didn't it? When the cat came. Cat scared it away.
Go away, cat. Where's my
Herb garden box for our windowsill. Can you help me put this in?
okay. It's really somewhere.
No, it's just growing and growing, isn't it?
Wow. They're heavy. They're heavy.
It's quite amazing, isn't it?
Yeah. How did you do that?
Okay, I think that should be enough in here. What do you think? Oh, we ran out of water. And you ready to pour it in? Slowly, okay? Slowly. Yeah, that was kind of what I was expecting. But give me that water. I'll get some more water. And let it sit. We'll let it sit for a little while. Let it do its thing. Yeah? Jeez.
What's happening?
This is all from just one brick. Gosh.
Oh.
I ran out of water as well.
Let me see, go to me. Let me see the finish. Let me see. Let me see the finish.
1 second, Bubba.
All of them. It's all of them.
So many, innit? Just from one brick.
Wait. Let me see.
Not that one. I need to add more water in that one.
Ooh, mother. Look at all of them.
Oh, sorry, I'm putting it all over the table.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.